Hello everyone! Today, I've got a mind-blowing geometry problem for you. We have a square that's been divided into 3 parts by 2 perpendicular lines. The top rectangle has a perimeter of 20. The bottom left rectangle has a perimeter of 13. And the bottom right rectangle has a perimeter of 17. Now, here's the challenge. Can you figure out the perimeter of the entire square? Let's break it down step by step and solve it together. Let's assign the lengths like this. The width of the bottom left rectangle is A. The width of the bottom right rectangle is B. The height of the bottom rectangles is C. The height of the top rectangle is D. Now, focus on the shaded rectangle on the bottom left. Its height is C, and its width is A. The perimeter is given as 13. So we get this equation. Twice A plus twice C is equal to 13. Let's call this equation number 1. Again, on this rectangle, its height is C, and its width is B. The perimeter is given as 17. So we get this equation. Twice B plus twice C is equal to 17. Let's call this equation number 2. Finally, focus on the top rectangle. Its height is A plus B, and its width is D. The perimeter is given as 20. So we get this equation, twice A plus twice B plus twice D is equal to 20. Now, divide both sides by 2. We can rewrite this equation as A plus B plus D is equal to 10. Let's call this equation number 3. Now, look at the square. The length of the bottom side is A plus B. And the length of the left side is C plus D. So we can write A plus B is equal to C plus D. Let's call this equation number 4. Now, adding equation 3 and equation 4, we get twice A plus twice B plus D is equal to 10 plus C plus D. Canceling D from both sides, we can rewrite this as twice A plus twice B is equal to 10 plus C. Again, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get twice A plus twice B plus 4C is equal to 30. Now, substitute the value of twice A plus twice B from the previous step. We can write 10 plus C plus 4C is equal to 30. So we get the value of C is equal to 4. Now, substitute the value of C here. We can write twice A plus twice B is equal to 10 plus 4, or twice A plus twice B is equal to 14, and finally, the value of A plus B is equal to 7, which indicates the length of the square. So the perimeter of the square is 4 times 7, which is 28. And that's our answer. Hold on, I have a practice problem for you. Can you find the perimeter of the square in terms of A, B, and C? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's see who gets it right. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting the channel. Until next time, bye-bye.